So I'm here again. Eating fruits. Again, waiting. So this is my nails today, purple and blue, but later on I'm going to someone is watching here. It's like what she's doing, showing my feet there. So by the way, let's talk. So I went to San Carlos today, and then there was the Gaisano Mall is closed because there's a thief that goes inside today, and then still a lot of jewelry inside and some cell phone. Going there because I'm going to buy a ticket to Korea. So I'm having a vacation again this year, going to Korea, and in the Philippines I need visa to go to Korea. So I already passed my requirements. Then after 10 days I get the result if I get a visa or not. And then I'm going to buy a ticket. So it's only 5 days vacation, but that is still far to go. November. So I'm going to Korea by November. So that's it. That's just it. That's just my day. And here I am every day. I come here to pick up my daughter, and of course time to relax. And just chilling. I see online her content is also barefoot driving. I don't know the name, but it's from India, and She drive with a foot, so I'm gonna try if it's difficult or not. It's quite difficult. Use the feet for driving. So tomorrow I'm going to change my nail polish. So I have a blue nails, so I'm gonna do it also in my two nails. So dark blue tomorrow, and time to clean my toes. And someone is really watching. Someone is watching me here. That's why I'm quiet, because there's a lot of people around me, and I open the door. Window. I'm going to show you around here where I stand by all the time. So that's all for now, and we're coming out. See you next video. But before we end, I'm going to take off my ponytail. gosh, today is really hot day.